Hello there, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect YouTube from TikTok. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile, that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. There you will see Edit Profile. Tap on it. Once you are on your Edit Profile, tap on YouTube. That is on the Social section. A menu will pop up. Tap on Confirm to unlink YouTube. So that is how you unlink your YouTube account from TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel.